All right, I'm gonna be trying out this Odor Formula Deep Clean washer detergent. This is what the container looks like. Shows the 3 different colors there. Here's what the individual pod looks like. Not sure why it's 3 colors, but you got purple, dark blue, and then that kind of neon bright green. It's soft. Feels like a thick plastic. It's not gonna burst on you while you're just handling the thing. Just feels well made. So we're gonna throw it in to our washer here. Load up a load of laundry here. Close it up. Turn it on. And we'll see how it turns out. And here they are washing. So far so good. All right, that's done. Let's move it to the dryer. Does smell good, smells fresh. Come back in a little bit. And here they go, round and round and round. All right, clothes are done. So let's check them out. Nice and soft. Smells fresh and clean. Seems like it did the job. I'll keep on using them.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.